one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I invite you to draw near, to draw close to me, to taste and see my goodness, to experience my fruitfulness in your life. For I am the Lord, the faithful one, the one who has given up all for you, the one who rejoices in blessing you. I rejoice in you becoming fully who you are, fully who I made you to be. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you, the Lord who is healing and restoring, the Lord who is making whole and new. Know that I am there by your side, renewing you and strengthening you, filling you again, filling you afresh. For I am the Lord who invites you and draws you near. I invite you into my presence. I give you my peace. It is a new day of victory. It is a new day of peace. I am the Lord, the faithful one, the Lord who is healing you, the Lord who is restoring you, the Lord who is making all things new, making all things beautiful. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.